Hello viewers, Flipkart has announced the end of season sale that will start from 7th of December and continue till 13th of December 2024. They are offering discounts up to 80% on clothings. Also, you will get discounts on smartphones as well as tablets. However, they haven't released the pricing of all the tablets, but there are some tablets that you can buy at a discounted price. If you want to buy iPad 9th generation, in that case, you can get this device at around 20,000 rupees. After offers, and if you have Axis Bank credit card or Bank of Baroda credit card, in that case you will get 10% instant discount. Also, you will get 5% instant discount with Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. Many users actually want to buy tablets from flipkart.com, so they want to know which tablet they should buy and what is the price point that they can buy their favorite tablets. That's why I am making this video, so that you can know the right pricing of every tablet. If you want to buy any tablet of your choice, you have to look for offers tomorrow at midnight when the sale will start. But I think there will be another sale in the name of Christmas sale towards the end of the year, and that will be the biggest sale in the month of December. So if you can wait till Christmas sale, that will be better for you, because you will get your favorite tablet at a discounted price. Many users want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, but recently the price of this tablet is very high. So I will not suggest you to buy any tablet right now. If you get this tablet at around 23 to 26,000 rupees after offers, you can buy Tab S9 AP Plus. Actually, Tab S9 AP Plus is a great tablet to buy. It has bigger screen, good note-taking experience, better battery backup, and also the trust of brand like Samsung. But the processor will be mediocre, so you must be aware about the processor. If you are a heavy user and if you want to edit videos on your tablet, you should stay away from this tablet. Otherwise, this is a very good package. The next tablet that many users actually want to buy is iPad 10th generation. During Big Billion Days sale, iPad 10th generation was selling at a price point of 26,000 rupees. But right now the pricing of this tablet is on the higher side, and if you can buy iPad 10th generation at around 26 to 27,000 rupees, that will be a very good buy. The price of this tablet will definitely come down after the launch of iPad 11th generation. Actually, iPad 10th generation is a great tablet. It comes with 10.9 inches LCD display, but the display is non-laminated. However, the color reproduction of this tablet is excellent. So you can buy this tablet for the processor, that is A14 Bionic chipset. It can handle any task you throw at it. Plus, the note-taking experience on this tablet is very good right now after the latest iPad OS 18.1.1, but you will not get ipencil in the box. You have to buy it separately. So if you want to watch a comparison between Tab S9 AP Plus and iPad 10th generation, links are in the descriptions below. So in order to buy any tablet, you can check the price tomorrow at midnight. If you don't check the price at midnight, the price may increase in the morning. So again, you have to wait for the next sale to come. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.